Good morning, children. How are you all? Okay, so today I would like to summarize, whatever we have studied. I would like to summarize. See, in this lesson, in English, Unit 1 and Unit 2 is for your FA1. So, I have completed the portion. So, Unit 1 and Unit 2, I want to fly the three butterflies. Best friends is Unit 1. And in Unit 2, speak the truth, all things bright and beautiful. So this 2 unit is for FA1. So already I told you you have unit test. So I have given all the back exercise, everything, so that it is useful for you to study. Okay, so I think we have completed all the back exercise and we have done enough of revision. Now for a FA1, please make sure that you go through this summary, the highlights of whatever there in the book. Okay, do you understand? After finishing this, I want to fly the three butterflies, best friends. I just wanted to summarize, see here, what you have studied. Okay, see, the first one is the poet wants to fly. Topic of the first unit is I want to fly. Okay, the poet wants to fly up in the sky if the poet had a pair of wings. Yes or no? We don't know the author name, but still we know that the poet would like to fly up in the sky if he or she have pair of wings. Okay, and the poet would carry a brush with purple, yellow and green, and she or he thinks that it is the prettiest color. Okay, every single day the poet wished to paint rainbows in the sky, and at night, as the poet wished to paint, even at night the poet wants to paint in the sky on seeing the moon and stars, because it makes the poet delightful. Okay, next we are going to the second prose, the three butterflies. In this, there are three butterflies in the story: pink, yellow and red, and three butterflies. One day they got wet after the rain, and what happens? They flew over to the rose and asking for shelter. But what that rose was telling, the rose was telling, no, I can shelter only you because you are same like me. You and me are same in color, so I can give shelter only to you, but not for your other two friends. So the pink butterfly, what he told that we are friends always, and we will stay wet also if you are not giving shelter. Okay, so they all were united. The same thing happened with the sunflower, and they all replied the same. The sun was hiding behind the clouds and heard it. And then what the sun did? It chased the clouds and the rain away. And what happened again? The sun beamed down on the garden and dried their wings, and now they dance as usual. Because friends always, next one is third poem, best friends. See, always best friends are there to wipe our tears. Yes or no? Best friends. Only 6 lines poem. No, I already explained you in my previous videos. If not, please go through that. Okay, the poet or the author is anonymous, and it's talking about the best friend. Okay, it takes a good friend to pick you up when you fall down. They are there to pick you up and wipe your tears, and they are called as best friends. See, they will throw jokes on your face and they will make fun of you. Yes or no? That's why they are best friends. And the in the second unit we have seen speak the truth. In speak the truth, Santosh was a student of class 4. Every day he would have his snacks and then do his homework. One day he played with his cousin Sandhya and forgot to do his homework. Next day when the teacher asked him about the homework, what he said? He gave a lame excuse that he had a fever. The teacher thought it was true and excused him. Then what happened? Santosh felt bad. He did not have his lunch. Sugna, Santosh's sister, was asking why he was not eating the lunch. Then he explained about what had happened, and then Sugna encouraged Santosh to admit his mistake to the teacher, before the teacher. So what happened? Sugna and Santosh went to the teacher and told the truth. The teacher felt very happy and consoled him, and that's what even I have concluded in that last video. Admit your mistakes. So being truthful is always good. And also this all things bright and beautiful poem, unit 2, all things bright and beautiful poem. And that poem, we don't have any exercise like question answers to summarize. It's just a poem. You can, it's not a memorized poem, but still I'll ask you to write first 4 lines. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. Only these 4 lines you can write for the test, if at all, if I ask. Okay, so these are the summary points. Please go through this also. Okay, do you understand? I just wanted to conclude everything for FA1. This is for your FA1. Be ready for your FA1. Thank you, children.